Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. MaryAnn here. This is a Q&A, but I don't have the list of my questions. It's not a lot of questions, guys. I'm in my dining table right now, dining area, and I film here because I don't want to go upstairs, and I like doing filming here in the black and white background. Okay, my book is right here, black and white also, the same thing. Like, I wish I can do black and white like this in my room, in the living room, you know, like this, a zebra looking thing. But it's gonna be a hard thing to do, because it's gonna be a hard thing to do. I just put those kind of ficky flower over there with the pussy willows. Some people in my previous vlog that asked me, I know I answer this, I comment back every time. They ask how old I am. I am 32, so I'm gonna be 33 this coming April, guys. And I wanna go back to, you know, 32 to 31 to 30 to 29, like that. I wanna go back to, because I want to go back to be part of the calendar, because now my number is out of the calendar already, guys. But anyway, guys, I am 31, I am 32 and running 33 this coming April this year. So anyway, guys, yeah, if you want to know how old I am very young. Very young, very. Okay, I write it down though, like what I remember people asked me before. It says where I'm from. I'm from the Philippines. In which part of in the Philippines? I'm part of the island. I'm just kidding. I'm from Mindanao. I'm in Dawanun. Okay, and the province is in Davao, but the province is Bislig City, and that's where we're really from. Not really, it's Bislig, part of the Bukid in Bislig, like part of the mountain in Bislig. That's where we're from. And what is Tammy's nationality? Okay, Tammy's nationality is not Greek, guys. Somebody asked if Tammy is Greek. He is not Greek. He is a Grook, okay? No, I'm just kidding. He is half Italian, half Puerto Rican, but it's not really half. I think the Italian is the half, and then the 25% it's other Puerto Rican, and the other one I don't know, Dutch. I don't know, guys, but he told, they mentioned it to me before. But what can I tell you is half Puerto Rican and half Italian. But he never been in those places, and he doesn't know how to speak Spanish, and he doesn't know how to speak Italianis. They're all the same thing, guys. The next question is, when I started YouTube. When I started YouTube, that was February something 2013. That's when I opened up my YouTube account, but not start vlogging. I opened my YouTube account just because I wanna comment some videos. You can only comment some videos you're watching if you have an account, so that's the reason why I opened an account, but never really uploaded. I don't know, guys, I forgot if I did uploaded videos in 2013. I upload every now and then, but it's not a vlog. It's just a little video, quick video like that. But it's not like it's not a vlog. Okay, why I started YouTube? Okay, I think I answered that already. I started YouTube in 2013 just because of comment. But the vlogging thing, why I start vlogging, because I saw some people when I was like browsing, like looking, searching on YouTube, like lechon. Like, for example, this is what I've been doing before when I don't have a vlog, when I'm not vlogging. I like to go to YouTube and search Filipino birthday party, Filipino birthday party, and because I love seeing people in YouTube that having party, and they show the food, and also, who is this? Oh, the Leon Whisperer just uploaded video. Okay, I watch him. And then I found out Emma Rice. Well, before Emma Rice, I saw it's Judy's time, but Emma Rice, I'm sure you guys know her, Davao, and she was uploading videos before, and I kind of like it, and I decided to make a video. There's a lot of YouTubers that I watch that encourage me, and Setioko, and That's Heart, and that's how I started my YouTube. That's how I started. So even that, before that, guys, before doing the video and vlogging thing, I secretly making my own videos, like, you know, it's not like videos, it's random video for me and husband. But guys, all of that, I have that on my hard drive. Tommy gave me a hard drive, a big one. Before vlogging, guys, before vlogging, I already filming random videos that I don't delete. I always like keep it. That's why Tommy gave me a black hard drive, and that's where I put everything. And the reason why I do videos before, because I want to document this one in my head. That's why I did video before on YouTube. And because, you know, the truth is I'm younger than to my husband. Okay, my husband is older than me, and I am younger, and I have that fear of losing him. I have fear of, like, what I'm gonna do. I can't see him if that's, God forbid, happen. I can go back to what we did in the future. And I explained it to him. I told him that, you know what, I'm gonna take video if you don't like it, but you know what, because that I can have something to go back to, you know, if I really miss you in the future. Because the reality is the reality. Like, I'm younger, he's older, and God forbid there's something happen to him. Who knows? I'm the one who's gonna tigok first before him tigok-gok. So that's the reason why I start videoing, and then YouTube follows, and then now it's documented, but that you guys can see. The next question is, why bring in-law with us? Or is mother-in-law going with us? Okay. Thing is, yes, we're gonna bring my mother-in-law in this house. She's going with us wherever we go. And why? Yeah, because he's the one taking care of her. I'm going to my Facebook account and read a comment. Okay, there is a question here from Al Steve. Sa mga in-laws mo po ba, mom and sister, tinatawag mo rin ba silang mom or by name lang? Okay, first of all, my mother-in-law, I called her mom. I don't call her Isabel. I called her mom. And my sister-in-law, call them, even though they're older than me, I call them by names because they're my sister-in-laws. And another question from Gloria McNay. Hi sis, why not stay at your new house most of the time, sis, and just let your husband keep visiting sa mom's house niya? It's costing a lot of petrol, that means gas, too, diba? Back and forth, he. Okay sis, he sis. Hi sis, thank you for your comment. And thank you for the question. I usually stay here for like 4 days every week. But the thing is, we are not moved in this house yet. We are not moved in yet here. Everything is not really finally moved. We're just coming back and forth to visit this house actually. I come here to this house to visit, and then going back over there to take care, to be there for the cats and the animals, you know, to be there for her also, just in case there, God forbid, there's something happen, that there is some people around. And yeah, so that's why we do that. And then we do keep going back and forth because of the transferring of the furnitures and stuff. So that's why we go back and forth. It's a slow move. It's a slow process, guys. Inday Gudayday have a questions, and she sent me a private message, and I'm gonna read it to you guys. Hi Ate MaryAnn, hito mga katanungan ko po, hihihi. Bilang asawa rin ng foreigner, before ba si Tommy, may naging karelasyon kang Pinoy dati? Oh no sis, wala sis, no joke lang sis. Meron sis, marami. So there's a lot sis, marami. No, just kidding. Yes, I had a previous relationship with, they're Filipinos, and yes, oh my goodness, meron ako mga Filipino na naging ex. Kasi Filipino tayo, doon tayo lumaki. So, meron talaga. So, the next question is, if meron man, ano kaya mga katangian na gusto mo sa Pinoy na di mo natagpuan sa foreigner? Oh my God, sis, it's hard to do this question, sis, because it's very Miss Universe. It's like a Miss Universe question and answer portion. Okay, ano ba ang katangian? What is the, oh my goodness. If there is a character talaga, ay na, hindi ko na mag-English sis, bahala kayo. Okay, anong katangian sa Pinoy na hindi ko natagpuan sa foreigner? Anong katangian? Quality. What is the Filipino quality that you don't find, whatever guys, katagpuan, okay, found in a foreigner relationship, okay, quality, character, whatever the heck is that. First, I'm gonna see this first. The difference of the Filipino boyfriend, whatever, guy, okay, that you can't find in the foreigner. Okay, go back to the beginning before you become a boyfriend and girlfriend. Okay, girlfriend. The courtship, the dating is very different, guys. You all know, if you have a foreigner, you all know the different. The Filipino are very, what I remember, because I live in the province, so it's very provincial and the thing. They ask your parents, well, if you are not hiding from your parents, of course, they ask your parents, they go to your house, very gentle and very sweet. And that's their weapon, guys. The Filipino guys, when they are courting you, because they try to win your heart, the flowers, the chocolate. Well, I'm gonna tell you a quick story. Well, I live in the province, so I don't have experience all those flowers, chocolate. What I experience is the eggplant, the guys, don't be dirty minded, okay? Don't be dirty minded. The eggplant. The eggplant, the squash, oh my god, talong talaga at saka round. Uy, na. So yun na. The eggplant, and this is what my experience, this is what they give you when they're courting. Because so my experience is not like ice cream, chocolate, flowers, it's a teddy bear, whatever bear is that, and bringing some water to my parents' house. And what else I remember, we always have, we have rice, guys. We lubok the rice. We lubok the rice. Ah, guys, I'm gonna put the thing here, how you call it, you know, the rice, when you don't have a machine to, you have a machine to get rid of the skin of the rice. You have to lubok, like you have to smash the rice to get rid of this, the skin of the rice, you know. And that's how I do. They help me to lubok the rice, and while he's luboking the rice, I am sisig the rice, and sisig ting. I'm gonna take a picture or a video here, a short video how to lubok the rice, and I'm gonna do also a video here that, you know, to sisig, and you know, sisig the rice. That's the different, that a foreigner that I don't see. And also when they're asking you if you become, can you become my girlfriend, Filipino, that I don't see it in a foreigner. What I know is they don't do this thing. When the Filipino guy asks you, can you be my girlfriend, and finally few months, few days, or one day after courting or whatever, if you said yes quick. So when you said yes to the guy, to the Filipino guy, you know, you can see the difference of the happiness on their face. The Filipino guy, it's always like happy. They show you that they're very lucky to have you. It's like they win a lottery, and you feel happy too. So that's you know, the different about the Filipino. She's asking the vice versa, if what I find the foreigner guy that I can't find in the Filipino. Okay guys, I'm not saying that my husband Tommy is not sweet, okay? Because Tommy, when I was in Florida, Tommy is very sweet in different way, because Filipino is sweet in physical thing, and you know, like sweet in, there is a different sweetness. Tommy, okay, I'm not gonna say only my experience, guys. When I was with Tommy before we get married, he is the sweetest. And I'm gonna do my experience when Tommy and I get together. Tommy is very loving. The thing is, yeah, the Filipino and American have different kind of sweetness, okay? Their lovingness, they're gentle and caring, gentle, tender, caring thing, whatever, how you call that. It's different way. The Filipino, I think, not all Filipino, I'm not saying all Filipino, that I don't find responsibility, okay? Tommy is the one that you can tell, husband material, very responsible, guys. Can I just tell you something? From the beginning of the day we know each other, I know he is responsible and doesn't take advantage, okay? Okay, personally, he doesn't take advantage of me. That's the first thing I know that I can't find in a Filipino. That I can't find in a Filipino, you know, guy. That, because guys, if you are Filipino, you know what I'm talking about. Okay? And not all. Okay? Not American that is whatever. I'm just talking about my husband. He's not taking advantage of me when we get together, which is a big thumbs up for me. Big one. Doesn't touch me. Okay? Doesn't touch me at all. As in, guys, I'm not lying. Nothing. I'm not gonna make it big because, you know, there is few Filipinos. Maybe I don't hear it. That's all I can see, the different, the vice versa. Inday ko diday. I hope that's answer the questions. And there is another question. At ano ang maipapayo mo sa mga viewers mo na na-inspire o nangangarap mag-asawa ng foreigner? Ano bang maipayo ko? Oh my Lord eh. Hindi, gudida yun. Nahirapan ako sa mga Miss Universe na question na ito. Sa mga nangangarap na mag-asawa ng foreigner, masasabi ko lang, pag nakahanap na kayo ng puti in person or online, what I did when Tammy and I met, I told him, I'm not here for playing, I'm here for serious relationship. That's all. He asked me to delete him because I'm too young for him. And I said, if you are here looking for a serious relationship and not playing games, because that's why I'm here. I'm looking for a serious relation. Desperada na ako guys noon guys. Kasi kung alam nyo ng story ng nakaraan ko, kung sinong nagdala ko dito, meron ng vlog kung gusto mo pang ulitin ko ulit gumawa ng video guys. Okay? Pero yun ang sinabi ko na hindi ako naglalaro. Nandito ako, seryoso, naghanap, seryoso ako, hindi ako nagbibiro, nandito ako para hindi lang mag-playing games. That's what I said to him. I told him, if you are playing games with me and not looking for a serious relationship, you are the one who's going to delete me, not me deleting you. So, that's why the conversation is keep going, continue until right here, I'm married to him. Ang ma-advise ko lang, if they told you, oh, you're so maganda, you're so pretty. The same thing guys. Kilatisin nyo lang guys. Makikita nyo naman kung magkita kayo, kung pumunta sila doon sa Pilipinas, kung magkita kayo, kilatisin nyo ng maigi at ask them if they can stay in the Philippines for like 1 to 3 months, to live with you, rent an apartment, because that's the only way. Honestly, honest to goodness, I've been telling this to myself. You won't know the guy, you won't know the person if you won't live in the same roof, because you won't know each other. Live with each other and see what's, if you are guys compatible, because believe me, I know that. And if you guys different, obviously, because of course different nationality is gonna be different, but if you guys know how to adjust each other, then it's perfect. Because you know what, everything is not like perfect when you are like, everything is not perfect. There's always misunderstanding, different nationality, it's different culture, so it's gonna be different. It's hard. You have to dapat mag-adjust. You have to adjust to each other, not just like one-sided adjust your thing. Like, two of you have to adjust. And yeah, that's all I can payo you guys. There is another question in the Gudiday. Meron ka bang specific thing na gusto i-highlight sa kanila pagdating sa paghanap ng boyfriend or asawa sa foreigner? Thank you, Ate MaryAnn. Love you. So ano ba i-highlights? Anong dapat i-highlights? When it comes to looking to a foreigner, you have to highlight your cheekbones, your nose bridge, your T-zone, whatever. I'm just kidding, guys. Joking. Don't be mad at me. Be yourself. Yun lang, guys. Wag nang be yourself. Wag ka nang kung sino kayo na, wag ka nang, kung hindi ka maganong mag-makeup, wag ka nang make-up ko. Pero kung sanay ka naman mag-makeup, make-up ka naman para Pero ako noon wala talaga guys, kahit eyebrow, kahit lipstick, wala, kahit powder, wala. Kung sino ako, na ako. Kasi sobra naman akong cute talaga. So, acute syndrome ng utak ko noon. So wala na. Kaya naghanap ng iba yung una. So, pasalamat na lang ako na Tammy, hindi siya naghanap. Kasi kapag maghanap siya, maputulan siya talaga ng lagay. What? Yun lang guys, I'm gonna end this Q&A episode talaga guys, so I'm gonna close this video, and thank you all guys so much for watching. To all of you, leave me a comment. Thank you so much. In the Gudiday, Al Steve, Gloria McNay, and I really do appreciate it so much, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye. I'm itching my butt cheeks right now. It's itching me.